Most people already know what is ChatGPT. Since 2023, OpenAI has signed over 100 million users. So if you don't know ChatGPT, you're probably living under a rock.
And we have about 100 million weekly active users now on ChatGPT.
Hey guys, and welcome to the video. In today's video, I will be talking about what AI programs you should use in 2024. So we know that most AI programs are being used to help you save time, increase your efficiency, and become more productive. And that brings me to the first AI tool, which is ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been introduced and is being used as a friendly chatbot that you can pretty much text with and ask any information because it will provide anything. When it comes to the creative side, when it comes to the research basis, or even will help you rewrite certain stuff that makes better. Also, in 2023, OpenAI has introduced a new way of using ChatGPT, which is through GPTs.
We're thrilled to introduce GPTs. GPTs are tailored versions of ChatGPT for a specific purpose.
This is where you can create your own custom GPT based on the prompt that you are putting in. From that, you can generally have your personalized AI that will help you with anything you want. Now, most people are pretty much overwhelmed when it comes to their work, their life, and sometimes it can be so hectic that you are already tired or overworked. However, there are specialized AI tools like Motion, where it comes as a personal assistant. It can organize most of your tasks within certain ways in your calendar, which is a very exciting thing because now you don't have to worry about putting things in the calendar. You just connect this program together with other certain programs that you currently use, such as Google Calendar or emails, and based on the information, you can generally have organized proper calendar. So you never miss out any meeting or another task. What is really cool about Motion is that if there is something that pops up out of nowhere, it generally can adapt itself to the situation that is happening. Another very cool tool that I believe this is something useful for certain people, and especially as students. Its name is Hyperwrite. It is a writing tool that helps you with many different things when it comes to writing. Most of the things that it can handle is pretty much polish the text, help you generate certain ideas when it comes to writing essays, or even check your grammar, help you with certain research, or even organize text. And the best part that is used by students is that it provides real-life citations, so it is never being plagiarized. A very interesting tool that I believe many people should use is a presentation tool called Gamma. And here's why. Most of the times, the presentation takes very long time because you have to build a structure and sometimes you don't even know how to approach the structure. On the other hand, you have to input certain pictures that you have to find on the internet and also put text in a way that is still looking appealing. However, all that process will probably take you a long time. You can just write to Gamma and say what is the presentation that you want to build. Exactly the topics that you want to talk about, the images that you want to use, and then based on that, it will generate the best presentation that you will need within seconds. On top of that, the really cool part about Gamma is that you can actually talk to a chatbot and say what to change in order to make this presentation better. So at the end, you are not building the presentation, but you're texting to a different AI chatbot that will make the presentation for you and listen to all of your concerns and changes until you are happy. Alright, so the next part is going to be talking about when it comes to one of my favorite tools, which is pretty much generating images. I pretty much use images when it comes to different tasks, such as making presentation or putting something on my boards, or even by explaining to certain people, I use images to pretty much create that. Before GPT and before AI, I had to draw presentation. However, from that moment, I realized I'm not really good at drawing and I should stay away from drawing. So this is where one of my best friends is DALL-E. I use DALL-E in order to create certain images and to express what are my thoughts by just texting DALL-E and saying, hey, this is the image that I want to create, can you create it for me? DALL-E is able to give out certain very good quality content back to me. And what is really good, that is fine-tuning. I can always adjust the image. There's something that I don't like, or there's something that it can be changed. I can always just text DALL-E and say, hey, you should change this, and it's going to be much better. The biggest competition when it comes to DALL-E that I also have used and I'm sometimes using is called Midjourney. It is one of the best image generation program because it is able to create very realistic and creative images. That is very awesome because also you can just share it together with the community on Discord that DALL-E has, and then you can connect with different people and share your art, share your thoughts, and I believe this is something very cool for different artists that are already there. Now, since we went over from the personal AI tools, let's look at what AI tools we can use to boost our business, personal brands, or ourselves. The first one that I believe every business should have is a customer support chatbot called Decagon. It is a generative AI customer chatbot that it utilizes advanced large language models in order to create a customer service assistant. It limits the time of the responses and is available 24/7. The cool part is that this chatbot is able to learn about your company. You can customize this chatbot and even have the different models of this chatbot within your company. You can use this chatbot to answer certain customer questions very quickly, and also you can use it to help you connect with different people. So Decagon can be easily integrated within different platforms through APIs. Another business tool that you really need in your company should be Sales Assistant. And the best one that I can find is called Drift. Drift helps businesses to retain more sales through their application. Drift focuses mainly on marketing, sales, and customer service. The really cool part about Drift, it acts as your personal sale representative. What it does, it can bring you more customers towards your business. The really great part is that not only is able to bring you the leads, it actually can bring you more of the data of the potential customer. It contains the personalized chatbots to boost your customer service, as well as it has conversational sales, which pretty much what it gives the option to customize certain emails or even offer your customer or your potential leads certain connections within different specialized people within your company. And also it gives out certain cool connections in which the customer would like to be contacted, such as email or a normal phone call, a video call such as Zoom, or even a normal video, or an AI chatbot. And also offering the conversational service, it creates personalized messages to each client. It asks different clients exactly what the client really wants, and it gives you the root data on what the client really is, who he is, and what he wants. We already know that there are many different companies that focuses on social media marketing. There's this one tool called AdCreative AI that can help those companies to streamline and work faster. We already know that there has been a lot of different programs that has been used in the past to streamline and help when it comes to posting some certain posts on Instagram or Facebook or any social media. Right now, what you can do with AdCreative is pretty much just insert the link of your website and it will start creating certain posts, images, and posts exactly to what your brand is about. So another thing that I believe we should really value in our lives is the personalized trainer, and there are certain AI tools that can help you to become your personalized trainer. One application that I think it might be good for you is called Fitbod. Fitbod is pretty much just like your personalized trainer inside your pocket. When you start using Fitbod, what you have to do is pretty much explain to Fitbod your certain data about yourself, describe your goal, and describe how much time do you want to spend on gym, how many days do you want to work out, and exactly what muscle groups that you want to work out. And what is the really cool thing about is that can be customized towards your location. You can provide certain machines that are in your local gym or your home gym. Even if you do not have a gym, you can put that you are working out at home and will create specialized exercises towards your location. The cool part about this application as well is that if you don't want to work out or you want to replace a certain workout, it will always give you something in a substitute. The great part about this application, and also many different gym goers will pretty much tell you that keeping track of your progress is a very important thing. The cool part about this application, it will always try to challenge you, push you to do the best, and it will keep track of your personal improvement. So before, we thought that we have to spend many different years and combating this learning curve when it comes to learning the computer science in order to pretty much create certain programs. However, in today's world, who could have thought that we can generally start creating and coding programs just out of text? And this brings me to an application that can help you to become a professional developer. Its name is GitHub Copilot. It helps you turn certain actions through text to code, which is very creative because then you can start creating certain programs based on code with zero knowledge of code. The really cool part is that it has ability to structure certain code, and also it can help you to connect certain APIs. So your program is connected within different applications. The really cool part is as well that it has this big professional coding knowledge. So even if you have small amount of knowledge of code, what it can do is pretty much provide you with certain suggestions when it comes to code. From that, you can see how good you can develop certain programs. And the nice part when it comes to developers, it is able to adapt to your personal style over a certain amount of time using machine learning. And the really cool part about it is that is your personal coding partner. So if you want to learn code or you don't have much knowledge about code, you can actually use the GitHub Copilot to help you learn more about code and program developments. So now in this video, we went over certain programs that you should use in 2024. And I believe that this is something that already will be implemented more in the future, because AI, it is coming, and it's coming with a big wave to the world. So now it's either you will start learning about AI today, or it will replace you in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you learned something. If you like this video, please give it a like and also subscribe and turn on your notification so you don't miss out on the next video, because it's something exciting coming next. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later.